Okay, we're looking at the CSS Pokedex series, looking at those rare CSS gems. Today's is the clip path property. Okay, so CSS clip path. CSS illustration is now a big thing. You see lots of people online creating fancy logos and illustrations and animations and cool things just using CSS. And if you look into the effects and how they do it, clip path is often a big part of that. What is it? It's basically the ability to clip into an image, to sort of draw into it and cut it down from its default shape. So you can make an image round now. You can just draw a round circle around it with the clip path round. You can create an ellipse, or most commonly you can just give it a custom shape and it will be able to draw into that image or element and crop down the shape. Creating a custom clip path is the most common use because it's the most varied and gives you the most options. But you're not going to be able to do that out the box by just randomly guessing numbers. Most commonly you could use a tool. There are lots of clip path drawing tools online that let you drag some points and make a shape that you want, and then it will generate the code for you to then paste in. It's unlikely to be used for some sort of dynamic content. So if you're on a e-commerce or a blog, something where you need to know ahead of time what that shape is going to be to add a clip path to it. Does that limit it? I suppose somewhat, but it doesn't mean it only should exist in the CSS illustration world. The web generally is too boxy. All elements are basically rectangles, and people design things largely in squares and boxes, sometimes even just skewing the angles to give things a slightly different shape or giving people slightly different edges. It's completely possible, it's super fast and native, you don't have to find any hacks anymore, and it will just make your design seem slightly more varied and different, so worth using sometimes.